Hello, and welcome to today's episode of Coin Chronicles, where we delve into the fascinating world of currency. Today, we're going to take a detailed look at the 1 Riyal coin from UAE. The 1 Dirham coin is a significant part of the UAE's currency system, reflecting the country's heritage and modernization efforts. Here is a comprehensive overview of its history, design, specifications, and minting. The 1 Dirham coin was first introduced in 1973, following the establishment of the UAE in 1971. The coinage system was created to unify the various currencies used in the different emirates before the formation of the UAE. The design of the 1 Dirham coin has remained relatively consistent, with minor modifications over the years. Features a traditional Arabic coffee pot, dallah, symbolizing hospitality and cultural heritage. Displays the denomination in Arabic numerals and text, along with the name of the UAE written in both Arabic and English. Original, cupronickel, 75% copper, 25% nickel. Current, nickel-plated steel. Weight, approximately 6.10 grams. Diameter, 24.00 millimeters. Thickness, 1.9 millimeters. Shape, round. Edge, milled or reeded edge. The 1 Dirham coin has been produced at several mints around the world, each contributing to different batches over the years. Located in Canada, this mint is known for its high-quality coin production. Based in the United Kingdom, it is one of the oldest and most renowned mints globally. Also located in the United Kingdom, this mint has a long history of producing coins for various countries. Situated in Slovakia, it is one of the oldest mints in the world, with a reputation for quality coinage. The text on the coin includes the denomination 1 Dirham and the country's name in Arabic script. The reverse side also features the country's name in English. Over the years, there have been special issues and variations of the 1 Dirham coin to commemorate significant events or anniversaries. These special coins are often sought after by collectors. The 1 Dirham coin is widely used in everyday transactions within the UAE. It plays a crucial role in the economy, facilitating small purchases and cash transactions. While the 1 Dirham coin is common in circulation, certain editions, especially those from earlier years or with minting errors, are valuable to collectors. Special commemorative issues also attract interest from numismatists. The 1 Dirham coin of the UAE represents a blend of cultural heritage and modern economic needs. Its design and specifications have evolved, but it continues to be an essential part of the UAE's currency system. The coin's history, minting locations, and variations contribute to its significance both in daily use and among collectors. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Coin Chronicles. Stay tuned for more insightful explorations into the world of coins. Until next time, happy collecting!